Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9. I think all of you are fine in this COVID period. We are also fine, and I think all of you are staying at your home and pray to Allah for the welfare or for the well-being of the country and countrymen. But in this COVID period, I think all of you are doing your study, staying at your home, and you have attended in your first model, and now we are arranging or taking class for your half yearly exam, and all of you should follow your half yearly syllabus and go on your studies, and you should take preparation for the next exam. And you know, in your syllabus, in the first paper, Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5, and I want to take a class from Unit 3, Lesson 2B. The lesson is May Day. You know, this is an international day, and it is called the Day of Working People, and it has a great story, or this is a historical event in the life of all the workers of the world. You know, it took place in the city of Chicago, and the workers had to take a long shift work, and they have no free time, and they had to stay working place minimum 14 or 16 hours. It was a great hardship for the laborers people, and on this day they protested against the owner, and there happened an unusual incident, and in that incident some people died. And to commemorate these people or this historical event, all the nations of the world today observe 1st May. So now I want to read out the passage. Whenever you read any passage, you should follow word meaning parts of speech, tense, verb, and basic sentence pattern, etc. So now I have given also some word meaning, and you must know some word meaning. Just commemorate the English word meaning. Immortalize, স্মরণ করে রাখা, establish, প্রতিষ্ঠা করা, settle, exploit, শোষণ করা, অত্যাচার করা, প্রতারিত করা, অ্যাবিউজ, দুর্ব্যবহার করা, ইনজুর্ড, wounded, inspire, উৎসাহ দেওয়া, encourage, observe, celebrate, revolution, revolt, sacrifice, dedicate. These are the some words from the text with English word meaning. And now I want to read out the text. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour work day. You know, before the historical event, the people had to work a long shift, and after that the people work 8 hours for every day. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution first in the 18th or 19th centuries, in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the workers at the NC Comic Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago went on strike demanding an 8-hour work day. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the MC Comic Harvest Machine Company, and about 6,000 workers joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They asked the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give into their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many others were injured. The events of May 1st, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up, speak out to gain better working conditions better pay and better lives. Here your text. Whenever you read the text, you should follow another important item, verb to be. You should remember after verb to be, if the verb is past participle, and you should know the structure is passive, and there are some sentences of passive voice. And just many others were injured. One sentence is here. You should follow many others were injured. And after the text, I want to discuss. I want to discuss another item relevant to your question paper, item number 3. And you know there is a passage from your text, and from the text you have to answer a vocabulary. So I am giving you, or I am discussing two passages relevant to the text May Day. Number 1, May Day is a dash day in the history of the world. Before the dash, the workers were exploited. Now they can dash various rights and dash. This day reminds that the workers will be exploited until they reach their dash. Just Parent Day, number 1. Swarmio Din, and be there before the movement. कोई घटना বা আন্দোলনের পূর্বে the workers were exploited, শ্রমিকরা প্রতারিত হইত. Now they can enjoy various rights and privileges. তারা এখন অনেক সুযোগ সুবিধা ভোগ করে. This day reminds that the workers will be exploited until they raise their voices. যদি সেদিন তারা প্রতিবাদী হতো না হতো অথবা প্রতিবাদ না করত, তাহলে আজও পর্যন্ত তারা শোষিত হইত, প্রতারিত হইত, বঞ্চিত হইত. passage number 2. May Day is a memorable day in the history of working class people. This day let us reminds us of the liberty struggle of the workers. They fought with a view to satisfying their rightful demands they may protest against injustice. These are your vocabs or the answers of the passage. Number 1, red letter. Passage number 1. A answer, red letter. B, movement. C, enjoy. D, privileges. E, voices. And answers of passage B: A, working. B, reminds. C, satisfying. D, demands. E, injustice. And these are your answers. Whenever you read the passage, you should follow word meaning, sentence, person speech, verb, voice or narrations or basic sentence patterns. এই জিনিসগুলোকে ফলো করে যদি তুমি করো তাহলে তুমি যে কোনো একটা টপিকের উপরে তুমি বিশেষ করে কোশ্চেনের আনসার করতে পারবে, এমসিকিউ আনসার করতে পারবে। তারপরে তুমি এইভাবে ভোকাবসগুলো সঠিক আনসার করতে পারবে। আর যদি তুমি মিনিংটা যদি তোমার শর্ট থাকে, মিনিংটা যদি তোমার বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয়, ক্লিয়ার না থাকে, তাহলে তুমি যে কোনো জায়গায় যে কোনো আনসারেই তুমি বিপদে পড়ে যাবা। এই জিনিসটা তুমি খেয়াল করবা। যেহেতু আমরা হচ্ছি বাঙালি, আমাদের ভাষাটা হচ্ছে বাংলা, আমরা মনের ভাব প্রকাশ করি বাংলা, এবং আমরা যদি বাংলাটা যদি ক্লিয়ারলি বুঝি তাহলে আমরা যে কোনো বিষয়ের কি 1 লাইন হোক আর 2 লাইন হোক আমরা নিজের মতো করে গুছাইয়া লিখতে পারি, বলতে পারি, পড়তেও পারি। আর যদি না বুঝি তাহলে আমরা এলোমেলো করে ফেলি, আর ওই জায়গাতেই আমাদের স্যাররা তোমাদেরকে এই না বোঝার কারণে সেভাবেই তোমাদেরকে মার্কিং করে। আর যে বুঝে শুনে আনসার করে তাকে পরিপূর্ণ নাম্বার দেওয়া হয়। আশা করি তোমরা এভাবে করবে এবং তোমরা বাসায় পড়াশোনা করো, পরীক্ষার জন্য প্রস্তুতি নিতে থাকো এবং নিয়মিত প্রত্যেকে থেকে প্রত্যেকের ধর্মকর্ম করবে আর আল্লাহর কাছে ফরিয়াদি করবে আল্লাহ যেন আমাদের এই মহামারী ভাইরাস থেকে আমাদের আত্মীয় স্বজন, আমাদের দেশবাসী, আমাদের প্রতিবেশী, সমগ্র বিশ্ববাসীকে যেন আল্লাহ পাক রব্বুল আলামিন এই মহামারী থেকে মুক্তি দান করে, এই আশাবাদ ব্যক্ত করে আজকের জন্য তোমাদের কাছ থেকে বিদায় নিলাম। ইনশাআল্লাহ তোমাদের সাথে আবার পরবর্তী ক্লাসে দেখা হবে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ।